Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you on the lookout for the best music MP3 player apps to enhance your listening experience on your Android device? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring 3 fantastic music player apps that offer unique features, user-friendly interfaces, and great audio quality. Whether you want to fine-tune your sound or enjoy your favorite tracks offline, we have the perfect apps for you. Let's get started. Muzio Music Player, MP3 Player. Muzio Music Player is a highly rated MP3 player app that offers a user-friendly interface and a range of features to enhance your music listening experience. The app supports various audio formats, ensuring compatibility with your entire music library. Muzio includes features like a built-in equalizer, allowing you to customize the audio settings to fit your preferences. The app also supports playlist creation, lyrics display, and offline listening, so you can enjoy your favorite tracks without needing an internet connection. Additionally, Muzio Music Player offers themes and customization options, letting users personalize the app to match their style. Muzee Music Player, MP3 Player. Muzee Music Player is another fantastic MP3 player designed to provide a seamless and enjoyable music experience. This app focuses on simplicity and ease of use while offering a visually appealing interface. Muzee supports multiple audio formats and provides essential features like smart playlists, gapless playback, and a built-in equalizer for adjusting sound quality. The app also allows users to browse their music library by artist, album, or genre, making it easy to find and play tracks. With its sleek design and intuitive controls, Muzee Music Player is ideal for those who appreciate a stylish yet functional music player. Muso Offline Music MP3 Player. Muso Offline Music MP3 Player stands out for its emphasis on offline music playback, perfect for users who want to listen to their favorite tracks without using data. This app supports a wide range of audio formats and enables users to create custom playlists for easy access to their most loved songs. Muso features a straightforward interface that allows for quick navigation through your library and provides options for album art display. Additionally, users can add just playback settings, such as shuffle and repeat modes. Muso's offline focus makes it an excellent choice for users on the go, ensuring uninterrupted music enjoyment anytime and anywhere. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best MP3 player apps helps you find the ideal way to enjoy your music collection. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and music tips. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.